Hello and welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Tim Warner, and you're watching Oracle Database 12c Fundamentals. The name of this module is Exploring the Oracle Database 12c Architecture, Part 1. You know, I was doing some research a little bit earlier today on starting salaries, average starting salaries for Oracle Database administrators. And did you know that in the United States, Oracle DBAs earn on average $100,000 a year? That's a pretty comfortable salary, and I hope it has you being really excited about being a student in this class and learning how to administer Oracle Database 12c. In this overview module, we're going to start with what are your goals as a student and what do you hope to get out of this course and learning path. We'll then get right into the meat and potatoes and discuss what exactly Oracle Database is, what is the difference between a database and an instance, what exactly is client-server architecture and how does Oracle fit into that schema, and we'll conclude this lesson with a review of the Oracle Database 12c memory structures. The memory structures and background processes form what's called the instance, but I get a little bit ahead of myself.